who are they? Who are you?
Who am I?
Who are you? Oh, well, welcome back to another Linguish tutorial. Today, who are you? We've got a set of cards. This game is kind of a divider. You have either dangerous animals and nice animals, sunny and cold, stuff like that. Here we're going to use a nice dragon and a mean dragon. Okay, so shuffle up. Let's mix the cards. Oh, there we go. Okay, very professional card mix shuffler. Yeah, definitely. So I'm gonna pick a card. I look at the card, and you ask me, "Who are you?"
Who are you?
I'm a nice dragon.
Hello, nice dragon.
Hello, hello, hello. Now, clockwise, Emily, take a card. Same thing, we ask, who are you? Who are you?
I'm a nice dragon.
Okay, cool.
A nice dragon.
Rachel, it's your turn. One, two, three. Who are you?
I'm a mean dragon.
So we can say, oh no, run away!
Oh no, run away!
Or, if you have enough room, say it again.
I'm a mean dragon.
Oh no!
Run away!
And you have to run away! Well, so now, either Emily's eliminated or she's the one who has to play again. That's it. Have fun with this. Use it with any theme you want. Bye everyone. Bye.
Bye.